All right, in this lesson, we're going to take a look at some story problems that involve multiple discounts. So it says a pair of shoes at Nordstrom's costs $120. The shoes are on sale for 15% off. You have a coupon that allows you to take an additional 10% off. How much will the shoes cost? So what we have to do is we have to do one discount at a time. So we're going to, oops, I'm sorry. That was that was too thick of a marker there. So the shoes are on sale for 15% off. So we're going to start with that discount. So to find 15% off of 120. So 15% off means that if we did 100 minus 15, the sale price of the shoes will really be 85%. So we're going to have to find 85% of $120. So translating to a decimal, we have 0.85 times 120. And when we do that, we get $102. So after the first discount, it is $102. So that's the first discount. Now the second discount says you get an additional 10% off. So what we're going to do is we're going to find what the new discount would be after the price of $102. So if it's 10% off, we would take 100 minus 10, and the new price would be 90% of the old price. Okay, so our price right now is 102, so we need to know what 90% of 102 would be. So translating to a decimal, 0.9 of means times 102. So 0.9 times 102 equals $91.80. So that means the price after the second discount would be $91.80. So again, notice we took each discount one at a time. Now, I want to talk for a minute about what you can't do. Some students like to take these two percentages and add them together to get 25%. And then find what a 25% discount would be. You cannot do it that way. That does not work. You've got to take the first discount and then take the second discount. So this example says Stella wants to buy a remote control helicopter. The one she wants costs $120. Target has a 50% off sale, plus she would get an additional 5% off for using her Target credit card. How much would the helicopter cost? So again, we're going to take it one discount at a time. So the first discount is the 50% off. So the original price is 100% minus 50% means what she's going to actually pay is 50%. So we need to know what 50% of the price is, which is $120. So translating this to a decimal, we have 0.5 of means times 120. And 0.5 times 120 is 60. So $60 is the price after the first discount. So now the second discount is she gets an additional 5% off for using her Target card. So again, 100% of the price would be 100%, minus 5% means what she's going to pay now is 95%. So what we need to know is what 95% of, and we're going to take her second sale price there, of $60 would be. So translating, we have 0.95 of means times 60. So 0.95 times 60 gives you $57. So the price of the helicopter would be $57 after the second discount. I'll take a look at a couple of examples that involve tax. Okay, but we do the process the same. You have to do each step separately. So first of all, a bicycle shop is selling $500 bikes at 10% off. If the sales tax is 6%, how much will the bikes cost? So we have to do the discount first, so 10% off. So 100% minus 10% gives you 90%. So the price of the bike is 90%. So we need to know what 90% of $500 would be. So translating to a decimal, we have 0.9 of means times 500. So 0.9 times 500 equals $450. So this is the price after the discount. Oops, I spelled that wrong. There should be a U in there. Now, there is a 6% sales tax. So now we need to know, okay, we need to add 6% onto the price. So we have 100% of the price, plus we have 6% that we need to add on. So we're really going to find what is 106% of the price. So we're going to do 106% of the price, which was $450. So I need to change this to a decimal, which is moving the decimal back 2 places is 1.06 of means times 450. So we have 1.06 times 450, which gives us $477. So this is after tax. That's the price after tax. It says, Mrs. Hodges wants to buy a brand new pair of boots that cost $150. She has a coupon for 15%, and today only Amazon is having a 10% off sale for all shoes. What is her total cost after both discounts and tax? So we've got 3 things going on here, okay? The first one is she's got a coupon for 15% off, okay? So if the price of the boots is 100% minus 15%, she only has to pay 85%. So we need to know what 85% of $150 is. So 0.85 times 150. 0.85 times 150. And we get $127.50. Okay? So this is the price after the first discount. All right, so now it says Amazon is having a 10% off sale for all shoes. So again, if we start with 100% of the price minus 10%, that means now she's only going to have to pay 90% of that price. So we need to know what 90% of $127.50 is. So translating to a decimal, 90% is 0.9. Of means times 127.50. So 0.9 times 127.50 is $114.75. So this is the price after the second discount. Okay, now it says what is her cost after both discounts and tax? Okay, well, if tax is 6%, then that means she's going to have to pay 100% of the price plus 6%, which is a total of 106%. So she's going to have to, or we're going to have to find 106% of the price, $114.75. So translating this to a decimal, we have 1.06 of means times 114.75. So 1.06 times 114.75 gives us 121.64. So the final price of these boots after both discounts and sales tax is going to be $121.64. The key here is noticing that you need to take each discount separate. So you're going to do the first discount, then the second discount, and then in this case, the sales tax at the end. So there are some examples of how to do multiple discounts and markups.